Hey, you two, welcome back, guys. So today we have another item from Personalization Mall. So anyway, let's go and then unbox this. I'm not sure what my wife got, but let's go and then open this up. Swimming quatch. So this one is a gift, so I'm not gonna open that. Alright, so that sports personalized sweatshirt, it is $79.99. And then the baseball embroidery Halloween treat bag, that one's $14.99. And then there's a Geo Prism monthly milestone personalized baby plush fleece, $49.99. Wow, the only thing I'm gonna open is the baseball, because these two are for gifts. And this one is the baseball plush for Halloween trick or treat. And it has an embroidery of Trisha. You can personalize your own name. By the way, we purchased this with our own money. It's not sponsored or anything, so in case you guys are wondering. So this one's 100% polyester. And it is made in China. And then this one is the fleece. I like the fleece, it is pretty soft. Wow. This sweater looks pretty good quality. It's pretty thick and then heavy. It's great for winter that is gonna coming out soon. Anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.